Alright guys, so out of all the unboxings that I've done so far, which you will see in the future, I am most excited about this one. And I guess you already know why, because you have read the title, right? So without further ado, let's start unboxing it. And I have heard that these kind of packages, Apple packages, they make it really important for the customers that their unboxing experience is very seamless. So I am assuming that I don't need my unboxing tools, but still I do have them by hand. So we have this pull tab here. Nice, very nice. And by the way, I'm not gonna show you top down because in one of my last unboxing in which I tried to show you the top down, it was not so good because I don't have that stand which does the top down. I don't even have a tripod. So it is like this, and wow, it's being pulled out automatically, and then you can, maybe I should show you like this. Ta-da! So guys, this is the brand new iPad Air. Which generation? 5th generation. It's released in 2022 and it was supposed to be announced or to be in the hands of the customers on 18th. And you know what? Today is 18th. So I can't wait. So we have this pull tab with Apple. You simply have to pull this here, and then it goes off. And then what you can simply do is like this. Nice. Come on, bro. Hey, bro. No? Please. Apple is really eco-friendly. He is not supposed to paste any stickers which are holding it, but still, what is the problem? Yeah, it's coming out. I will put this here, and here is your iPad. Before we open that, I will put it here on the glass, and you have some paperwork. Do you get the stickers? You do get stickers. I don't know where I will post them, but still. What is this? I don't know. Okay, let's put them back. I really don't need them at the moment. Here, and let's put it aside as well. Then we have this charging brick type C, and then we have a cable. It's type C on both sides. And are we going to get anything else? I don't think so. And this box is fixed, you cannot take it out, and that's all for this. Put it aside. Now, so this pull tab, and whoa! Wow, this is really thin and really lightweight. I didn't bother to get engraving on this because I was like, let's keep it clean. And now, before I turn this on, I have another thing that I want to unbox, and I don't know, I don't have any soft surface. I don't want to put glass on glass. Before we turn this on, I want to unbox this Apple Pencil. We have a pull tab again here, and then what you can do is simply do this. Now this is like a very, it's not supposed to go this way. You have this pull tab here and you are supposed to slide it out. Designed by Apple everywhere. Put this aside. Then you have some paperwork. The stickers are not going to be in there, so I'm not even bothering taking this out. And put this here. And here we have our pencil. Wow, really nice. And nothing inside the box, so okay, so now it's time to turn on our iPad. Here is our power button. Can you see that stupid Apple logo? And you know what you can do, really cool thing, is you can put Apple Pencil over here and it says hello. Can you read that? I don't think so. And it's saying hello in multiple languages. And for the Apple Pencil, there is this important thing you might not be able to see. I will show you on Instagram, so please follow me there. And it's personalized pencil, engraved, and it says you have to follow me on Instagram for that. So pencil is not working yet. I guess once it's done setting up, then it might get connected. So keyboards, English, UK, Deutschland, and emoji. Continue. This may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. I have also ordered another thing for this iPad, which is like the back cover, and I guess that's known as folio cover. I really like the color of this thing. It's so cool. I could have bordered those bluish and crazy colors, but I like gray, matte black kind of gray. Touch ID done. Capture all your fingerprint. Okay, again. Continue. Create a passcode. I won't show you guys. Okay, done. Now we have, it's asking to restore from iCloud and things like that. There is some problem with my Apple ID. I tried to change the password and Apple was like, we will call you back after 2 days because of extreme security conditions. That's Apple, you know. So I will skip this step at the moment. I will continue. So iPad is working right now, finally. And thanks God I didn't need the password reset thing. And Apple Pencil is also working very nicely. And before we talk a lot about other things, I just got to tell you that why I got this iPad. And the main reason is that I have started my master's in bioinformatics here. And the thing is, we have to study from a lot of slides, and unless you annotate those slides, it's not really easy to go through them again, because once you go through them again and they are blank, and it becomes really difficult. And apart from that, I've also seen that people have started to make really nice notes on iPad rather than making on the notebooks, because the main benefit about making notes on iPad is that you can edit your notes anytime. And if you are writing in a notebook you have written and something is wrong, you cannot really change that. You have to tore the whole page and then you have to fix that thing. So making notes on iPad is like way easy. And one more important thing is that once you have created the notes, you can take them everywhere. They can be in your mobile phone, they can be in your laptop, they can be anywhere. You don't really need to carry a lot of stuff for that. And there was this one very important thing which I totally forgot. And yeah, you can add pictures in your notes. You can take screenshots of the slides and then you can add those, and then you can really annotate them with the pencil. So another main reason why I bought this iPad is this Apple Pencil. And I was thinking of buying Samsung Tab or iPad, but I prefer to choose iPad because I just didn't like the Samsung Pencil. So Samsung, you need to improve your pencil, S Pen. And the best thing about this latest iPad is the M1 chip. Okay, that's all. That's a lot of talking for today. I guess that's pretty much it for this vlog. And I do have to check one more thing with this before we go, and that is the AirPods. So I will just open this and see what happens. So, not your AirPods Pro, connect. Press hold the button on the back of the charging case. Okay. Done. It's connecting. Now it's telling me about the whole tutorial. Let's see how is the sound. Do we have YouTube? Can we have YouTube? Oh yeah, maybe because I have not put them in the ear, so that's why they are not maybe connected. Okay. I'm doing so much dumb and stupid things today. Okay, now I can see, and I can over here it says that it's connected, and yeah, I have this spatial audio, I have this noise control, transparency, and noise cancellation, and transparency, and off. Off is also good. Okay, can we have YouTube on Apple? Is it a good question? This is a really good question. Can we have a YouTube app installed on iPad by default? And it's straight away no. Google apps can never be installed on iPad by default. So we can go to Safari and we can play some music on there. Which music we can play? Now my mom wants me to play something else right now, but it's okay. So now wow, that is now guys, I got to tell you one thing, that this Apple has done something that you don't get the good sound when you are using AirPods with Android. I guess they have intentionally decreased the quality of AirPods and decreased the sound quality so that people keep on buying Apple products. But the sound over here in my ears when these AirPods are connected with this iPad is amazing.